Rivalry between the United States and China has extended to various aspects of technology and innovation. One notable battleground in this tech war has been the lithography machine industry, which plays a pivotal role in semiconductor manufacturing. The United States had tried to prevent China from acquiring lithography machines from anywhere in the world, but China has managed to flip the tables on its adversaries. Now, China has reached a point where it no longer depends on equipment from any other country, and even Dutch semiconductor giant ASML, a key player in the industry, finds itself at China's market mercy. Recently, ASML confirmed that it had obtained a license from the Dutch government, allowing it to continue to ship certain high-end immersion lithography systems to China in the current year. This announcement came as the Netherlands implemented their latest chip export control measures. ASML said, "We have applied for export licenses to ship our NXT 2000i+ systems. The Dutch licensing authorities have issued the licenses we need as of September 1st to be able to continue shipments of the NXT 2000i and subsequent systems this year. These new export control rules will permit ASML to ship these systems until the end of the year, allowing the company to fulfill its contractual obligations to its customers." However, ASML is well aware that the export control regulations will have a significant impact shortly. The company stated that their customers were aware of the export control regulations, so they know that, as of January 1st, 2024, it is unlikely they will receive export licenses for these systems for shipment to domestic Chinese customers. But now they want to work with China. They are allowed to do it now. China's response to these developments has been significant. The Chinese government, amid this ongoing tech rivalry, has made impressive strides towards self-sufficiency in lithography technology. This progress is evident in the fact that China no longer needs ASML's equipment. A mere few months ago, it was ASML that imposed sanctions on China, attempting to restrict its access to cutting-edge lithography technology. However, the story has taken a twist, and now ASML has found itself in a position where it is seeking China's favor. With this, the effectiveness of sanctions in limiting China's technological advancement has come into question. Instead of crippling China's semiconductor manufacturing capabilities, these sanctions have inadvertently spurred the nation to achieve self-reliance. This shift in power dynamics highlights the resilience and determination of China in the face of adversity. China's journey towards self-sufficiency in the field of semiconductor manufacturing and lithography technology is proof of its long-term vision and investment in research and development. Over the years, China has made significant strides in developing its indigenous semiconductor industry. China has been heavily investing in research and development, fostering innovation and nurturing domestic talent. This has led to the emergence of several prominent semiconductor companies within China. Chinese companies have been working relentlessly to build their own lithography machines and semiconductor manufacturing equipment. This has enabled China to reduce its dependence on foreign technology providers like ASML. The Chinese government has been a driving force behind the nation's push for self-sufficiency in technology. It has provided financial help, policy support, and a conducive environment for the growth of the domestic semiconductor industry. China has also engaged in international collaboration, partnering with other countries to gain access to advanced semiconductor technologies and expertise. But without relying on anyone, China became self-sufficient. The fact that ASML, a Dutch semiconductor giant, is now seeking to do business with China highlights the dramatic shift in power dynamics in the tech industry. It was not long ago that ASML was among the companies imposing sanctions on China. However, in light of China's achievements and growing self-sufficiency, ASML has been forced to rethink its position. ASML is not alone in recognizing the potential of the Chinese market. China represents a massive consumer base for advanced technology products, including lithography machines. ASML's move to secure licenses to continue shipments to China highlights the importance of this market to its business. While mentioning China's success, it is necessary to mention the US and its sanctions. The tech rivalry between the United States and China has broader geopolitical implications. The United States has been concerned about China's growing technological prowess, viewing it as a challenge to its dominance in the tech industry. As a result, the US has implemented various measures to restrict China's access to advanced technology, including semiconductors and lithography machines. China, on the other hand, has been determined to overcome these challenges and achieve self-sufficiency. The nation sees technological independence as a key strategic goal that will not only reduce its vulnerability to external pressures, but also allow it to compete on a global scale. China's response to the situation has been diplomatic and measured. The Chinese government has emphasized the importance of upholding contracts and international rules, signaling its commitment to fair and transparent trade practices. China has also maintained communication and exchanges with relevant countries in the field of export control, demonstrating its willingness to engage in constructive dialogue. China's growing self-sufficiency in technology has not led to isolationism, but rather a desire for equitable participation in the global tech ecosystem. China seeks to safeguard its enterprises' legitimate rights and interests while maintaining cooperative relationships with other nations. The effectiveness of sanctions as a tool to limit China's technological progress has not played out as anticipated. Instead of stalling China's advancement, sanctions have catalyzed innovation and self-reliance. Several key factors have contributed to this unexpected outcome. China's national determination to achieve technological self-sufficiency has been a driving force. The government, industries, and research institutions have rallied together to overcome challenges and make significant strides in various tech sectors. China has heavily invested in educating and training its workforce in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. This investment in human capital has borne fruit in the form of skilled professionals who are driving innovation. China's commitment to research and development has resulted in breakthroughs in key technologies, reducing the nation's reliance on foreign expertise and equipment. While striving for self-sufficiency, China has also engaged in global collaboration to access cutting-edge technologies. This balanced approach has allowed China to learn from international partners while strengthening its capabilities. The sheer size of the Chinese market has made it an attractive destination for tech companies worldwide. This has motivated companies like ASML to seek ways to continue doing business with China despite export control regulations. The story of China's journey towards self-sufficiency in lithography technology is an example of the nation's determination and resilience. In the face of sanctions and export control measures, China has not only achieved self-reliance, but has also positioned itself as a global player in the tech industry. ASML's recent move to secure licenses for shipments to China highlights the shifting power dynamics in the tech world. China's growing self-sufficiency has transformed it from a consumer of foreign technology to a formidable competitor and a sought-after market. The unintended consequence of sanctions has been China's accelerated progress and innovation. Instead of limiting its technological advancement, sanctions have propelled China forward, demonstrating the nation's ability to adapt and overcome challenges. As the rivalry between the United States and China continues in the world of technology, it is clear that the tech landscape is evolving rapidly. China's self-sufficiency in lithography technology stands as a symbol of IT's determination to achieve technological independence and compete on the global stage.